Hello everyone, this is Ramesh Dontha with the AI Entrepreneurs. This is the AI Entrepreneurs short video. And so on the AI Entrepreneurs newsletter, by the way, if you have not subscribed to it, so there's a lot of good information, which I'm going to go over in this short video quickly, right? Please do subscribe. We have a couple of sections that I want to highlight. So number one is the AI events. Okay, so we are talking in January 2026. So the events that are happening around the world that we covered in this newsletter right now is Singapore. If you're Singapore around that area, AAAI is happening Jan 2027, and the Cloud Roadmap Series AI Innovation Jan 4th. It's virtual. And generative media AI powered creative is just a prompt away. It's again a virtual one on 14th. An AI in Healthcare Summit, Bellagio in Las Vegas, happening Jan 15th to 16th. Okay. So by the way, these are all links that you could click and then register yourself or get more information. So that's one section that I thought you would find interesting. The other section is AI learning opportunities. This is really good stuff, right? If you're struggling, you don't know where to go, so we try to curate some really cool stuff. If you are a developer, right, how to use the Model Context Protocol (MCP) to create AI agents, that actually is from AWS, right? Skill Builder. So that is one. And the second one is a governing AI agents, and that is actually from deeplearning.ai. Okay, so this is about exploring the frameworks for designing and deploying intelligent agents. And if you want to do something on Azure, developing AI agents in Azure, so there is a link to that one. So this is a Microsoft provided develop AI agents in Azure course. And then the next one is AI Foundations for Everyone. This is a Coursera course, a beginner-friendly series covering AI fundamentals, ethics, and hands-on applications, right? So somebody who wants to get started, this is probably a really good course from a Coursera on AI Foundations for Everyone. So I just wanted to, in this short video, just talk about the different learning opportunities that we highlight and different events that you could learn from or connect with people. All right. With that, Ramesh Dontha with the AI Entrepreneurs Institute.